Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to move the chart in TC2000. So what you need to know right here is most of the time you can move the chart with just clicking on the chart and use your mouse to move it. But that's different right here in TC2000 because what you need to know is if you look to your keyboard, you need to use the left square bracket to go back in time like this. And if you use your right square bracket, you can go further in time. Of course, you need to play right here with the time frame. So we are having it now in hours right here, but you can also have it in weeks. So decide for yourself what you want to do. And let's say if you are having it here right in the days and going back right here is going too slow, hold your shift and then do it, and then you can go back a little bit more quicker, and it's exactly the same with going further. So holding your shift makes it quicker. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.